at this room.
It's going to be nice.
This is a bathroom now.
Right.
You just need to talk about the tile, though, right?
Right.
Okay.
You need to know what design you want to do on this one.
Here's what
You going to be tough on me or easy?
I'm going to try to go easy on you today. Well, I'm thinking we'll use this mosaic as just a band around the center of the shower.
We can do that.
And
which is beautiful, by the way.
Yeah, it kind of reminds me of oyster shells.
It does, don't it?
Yeah. And then the white field tile above and below it on a running bond pattern. And then a silvery kind of grout.
That would go with that mosaic. Great.
Yeah.
Yeah, it would look good.
Okay. Not too hard.
No, you're actually taking it easy on me.
It's Friday. Let's ease into the weekend.
Sounds great.
Thanks, Mr. David. Look at with the shower towel. Look. And we've got these where you can just see all the colors we're going to have in here. I'm loving the way the countertop and that accent tile are really singing. I think they look great together.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Oh, my mom has always wanted a nice bathroom and she's never had anything like this. My dad will love it, but she is going to be blown away. That shower, I love the colors and the tile.
It reminded me of like a oyster shell.
There's
sort of
texture.
finish.
That tile isn't just flat.
Yeah.